Action.
It ain't no city soda, it's Yahoo.
So this only exists in Hey Arnold. So I built the real version for the set that's about twice the size of my head. But getting it to look like liquid and actually still work was way harder than I needed it to be.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
If this doesn't work, it's going to ruin the whole illusion that I'm trying to create. Okay, so step one, we need a bottle. Now I found this at Walmart. Now I could have just spray painted the outside, but I wanted the soda to look like it was inside the bottle. And we can't accomplish that with this. Luckily, a store nearby had some in the clear version. That meant that the craft guards were looking out for your boy. Okay, so bottle, check. Now let's figure out how we're gonna make this label. Here's the problem. You see how this label looks painted? I want it to look that way, but without me actually having to paint anything. So with a little help from ChatGPT, I redesigned the label so it looks painted instead of printed. Then I got it printed and cut it out. I'll put links in the description to what we used, including a link to where you can download the label for free. Okay, now here's the difficult part. How are we gonna get the liquid inside of the bottle and actually keep it working, get it to have the same function? So I think the easiest way that we're gonna be able to accomplish this is by coating the inside with brown paint. So I had some paint lying around, so I'm just gonna pour it all into a Ziploc bag and then mix it together. Then I'm gonna use this funnel and pour it into the bottle. So here's the thing though, paint sticks better to plastic once it's been roughened up. We can't roughen the inside of this bottle, like we can't sand it. All we can do is cross our fingers and hope for the best. Let's use aluminum foil and a rubber band to block the top, and then slowly spin the bottle on its side to coat the inside. We're gonna let it sit and dry, and then come back and check on it. Okay, so it's been about 2 days, and there's a problem. This paint is not setting. Yeah, this isn't good. If this doesn't work, it's gonna ruin the whole illusion that I'm trying to create. Okay, so I'm gonna spin it again to kind of cover the spaces up, and then I'm gonna set it to the side and just keep an eye on it for a few days. Okay, so it's been about 3 more days, and this took way longer than I expected, but it worked. Woo! So we're gonna use this industrial strength glue stick and apply our label to our bottle. So this actually looks kind of crazy on this set over here, and if I'm being honest with you, seeing this in real life, it's kind of wild. And voila, here's the finished product. And also, check out the back. Now, Yahoo Soda was also the in-universe soda for the Angry Beavers. Remember that episode where the cricket drunk some and then grew like really big? I had to make sure I put this little warning on the back of my Yahoo Soda. Oh, and by the way, it's a coin bank. Now, if you want to see what cartoon prop I build next, hit that subscribe button. But if you got some ideas for me, let me know in the comment section down below. And head on to Rules and Robes. We got stuff over there. And like that, this will be the end. Peace.